I had a simple visual question.
Yeah.
Curious one.
Yeah.
Why are your robes maroon? Is there any specific significance to the color?
Yeah, at that time in India it is said that this color is treated as the most inferior color in those days.
Inferior color?
Inferior. Leg luster color.
Less
Leg luster. Yeah. Majority people don't use it. So to remove attachment, we have supposed to, actually the original color is, at the time of the Buddha is not this one, this color.
yellow.
In India, the maroon, yellow color. Okay. Then in Tibet, because of very cold climate, this is a little bit like drug, which can absorb heat. So therefore Tibetans have adopted this one. But basically the three colors, the blue you can see here, then the maroon, then the orange, these three colors are permitted at that time. Because these are not so, favorite color for ordinary people. But now things change.
Now designers are wearing this.
No designer wearing this. See? So that's what I'm saying. This is in a way, to do with the change, but in a way, probably something to do with Buddha's teaching.
I think so.
Buddha's teaching is such that the more you go into it, the more it will shine out, including your clothes. Even this shaving the head, you see? In the beginning, it's a big mistake, these hairs are to protect your head and things like that, right?
Yeah.
So people might say, this is crazy, But now again, it's fashion in the West. I've seen many people, the whole company, with people with shaven heads, yeah. Yeah.
So once again, thank you very much.
Thank you.
for taking the time out.
Thank you.